So here it is, guys, a walk around of Lucy 2013 Coyote 5.0. So this car, when I got it, didn't have these orange goldish rims on it, or should I say wheels. It did come with the stock SVT wheels from the GT 500 though. Obviously, you know, the blacked out 2013 5.0 lights, best lights in the game. When I first got the car, transmission was all fucked up. The rear end was messed up as well. Previous owner, unfortunately, didn't know how to handle it or drive it, so unfortunately I had to come up with the money, but it paid off because this is a badass car to drive every day. For a daily, it consumes a lot of gas, but you know what, it's worth it, especially when you're walking cars all day. It has a few minor cosmetic stuff on the outside, as obviously you can tell, stuff like that. But other than that, it's nice and clean on the outside. And yeah, let's hear it start up. Alright, so what makes that glorious orgasmic sound is my long tube BBK headers. Obviously I had to go with chrome. You can't go wrong with chrome. It has cat delete, off-road X pipes, and Rouge axle backs. Man, those Rouge axle backs really make it sound unique. Before those axle backs I had, it was straight piped, so it was extremely loud, but it wasn't controlled loud. Now it sounds a lot more controlled. It definitely sounds like a race car now. Before it just sounded like a loud ass car, but now that it's, you know, it's at least pushing 500 at the crank with a nice exhaust setup, definitely can't go wrong with that. Like I said before, I'm gonna supercharge this within the year or so, and you guys got to stay tuned for that. It's exciting stuff. I race a lot of cars on the highway. I raced a lot of Infinities, a lot of Hondas, a lot of Chargers, Challengers, you know, 392 Scat Packs, a lot of Hemis, a lot of RTs, a lot of SRTs. I raced this just to give you an example of how fast it goes. I raced a four-door, obviously, Charger Hellcat, not the Red Eye, but just the Hellcat on the highway. We were neck and neck until like maybe we started hitting 90. After that, it just slowly started to pass me, but I kept up with it, and I was really impressed with, you know, my setup. The 93 octane tune, you can't go wrong with. That's not even dynoed, so I wouldn't. You guys got to stay tuned for that dyno video. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's my daily. Imagine dailying this. It's really fun. It's actually a little dangerous sometimes because it's too fun. You can have a lot of fun with it. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. 0 to 80, just to show you guys how it goes. That was fun. She has a nice throttle, nice pull to it, nice response. Definitely gallops down this road. Woo! There you go.